Okay, I've been out for some supplies here. I run out, and seeing as it's raining, I thought I'd do the Billy Connolly trick again. And I didn't put a raincoat on. I just grabbed an umbrella, stepped outside and lived a little. I got 3 kilos of meat in my bag here, a couple of kilos of chicken and 1.5 kilos of bacon, and I'm going back to have a big cook up. So that's where we're at the moment. I think the green looks really good under my umbrella. That's pretty cool. Oh, a bit higher, oh, that way. So there we go, we're heading back to the apartment now, and I'll just take you past the gardens here. So I'm juggling things here with one hand, not easy. So here's the gardens that the last short there I was looking down on. And looking down on from one of those buildings down there. So here we go. Here's a juxtaposition of something old and something new. So I must be the something old, and the gardens there are the something new. Hello, Uncle.
Hello.
Good, brother? Okay? Good man. And here's Uncle here. He's going out into the garden. And there's Auntie over there. So there we go, something old and something new. Trusty umbrella. You can't stop nature from repeating itself.